Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change color in Canva. So first thing first, I want to head into our Canva and then bring in your image of the clothes you want to change the color. Alright, so once you do that, you want to right click and set image as background. Okay, so then you click on the image, then you come to edit image. Click on magic edit. Okay, so brush. So you're gonna brush colors you want to change. Okay, so I'm gonna brush this. Gonna make sure you cover every angle. Alright, so after doing that, what you want to do is describe your edit. I'm gonna say and generate. Alright, as you can see, it was perfectly okay. So this is how to change color in Canva, simple and easily. If you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.